In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat. If you have a PDF that's too large to upload, share, or store easily, Adobe Acrobat gives you a quick way to compress it without having to recreate the document. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can shrink your file size in just a few clicks. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to compress is already open on your screen. Starting with the correct file open helps you avoid compressing the wrong document, especially if you're working with several PDFs at once. Once your PDF is open, go to the Tools section. This is where Acrobat keeps many of its file management options, including the feature used to make your documents smaller. If you don't immediately see everything on the page, just look for the Tools area in the interface and open it. From there, select Compress a PDF. This option is specifically designed to reduce the file size of your document, which can be useful when you need to send it by email, upload it to a website, or save space on your device. When you choose this tool, Acrobat will prepare the file for compression and show you the available settings. Next, look for the compression level setting and choose High. This setting applies stronger compression, which usually gives you a smaller file size than lower compression options. Keep in mind that higher compression can sometimes slightly reduce image quality. So this setting is most helpful when your priority is getting the file size down as much as possible. After selecting high for the compression level, click Compress. Acrobat will then process the file and create a reduced size version of your PDF. Depending on the size of the original document, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the process is complete, you'll be taken to the newly compressed PDF. At this stage, you can review the document to make sure everything still looks the way you want. It's a good idea to quickly check image clarity, page layout, and text readability before sharing the file, especially if the document contains visuals or detailed formatting. And that's it. That's how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple process that can make your files much easier to manage and send. If you're working with large PDFs regularly, this is a useful tool to keep in mind whenever you need a faster, more storage-friendly version of your document.